This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by John Fountain. Open house Saturday and Sunday, November 2nd and 3rd noon till 2 p.m. Location, no flood zone. Check out and view this 3-bedroom 2-bath 2-car garage home. Close to everything. Beaches, airports, malls, shopping, restaurants. Everything close by. Updated kitchen with granite countertops and all stainless steel appliances. Updated bathrooms. Master bedroom has an updated ensuite bathroom with dual sinks, garden tub and walk-in shower, newer tile throughout with large Stonehenge tile and family room, dining room and master bedroom. This is a family-style home. Lots of rooms to play. Super large cage tiled pool set on a bias. Lots of room for family time outside in the huge lot. This home is located approx 20/25 minutes to all beaches including Clearwater Beach and Honeymoon Island State Park, Dunedin with many miles of beaches. Google Honeymoon Island State Park for some of the best unspoiled beaches in Florida. Live the Florida lifestyle in a no flood zone home. See all the photos of the home and make the call to view. For more information.